Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change language on your HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To change language, we need to go to the settings. Then we need to scroll all the way down. System and updates option right here. And here is language and input. We have to go here. And we can change our language by using this function here, add language. We have available languages here. We can add multiple and we can switch between them. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.